Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making boil and fry black eye. So I already boiled the black eye and now I'm going to start to fry the black eye. So first thing I have here is geera, whole geera, and ajwain. Gonna fry that first. Now I will add the green onion, and wiri pepper. Add the black eye. Now I'll add the black pepper. The black eye is done. Here is my boil and fry black eye. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.